Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Gradeup. So, today we'll be discussing the concept of arithmetic progression. I hope I am audible and clearly visible as well. Good evening, Swapnil. Yes, just confirm by saying yes if I am clearly audible to everyone. Okay, thank you, Kalash. Okay, so let's start the session, guys. See, arithmetic progression is a very important concept in algebra. Okay, and this is the most important concept of all the three progressions, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. Out of these three, arithmetic progression is the most important concept. Okay, so this is about me. I am Anurag Agarwal and I have been training students for CAT and other MBA exams from last 16 years, and I've got more than 99.9 percentile in QA section of CAT on multiple occasions, and I've mentored more than 30,000 students. Now, great news for you guys. Once again, we are starting with this February Mela, and it will be till Thursday only. So, uh, 2 more days after today. So, it will continue till Thursday only. So, there is flat 50% discount on Gradeup Super subscription, and for that, you need to use this code, that is FEB50. So these are the discounted prices for the various subscriptions. For 3 months, now it is available for 5,000. 9 months will cost you 13,500, and 12 months is for 15,000. So you can this take a call depending upon your need. For the students writing CAT 2021, I suggest they should go for either of these two. Okay, so let's start the session now, guys. Good evening, Tush. So, see, arithmetic progression is a series in which the difference between the consecutive terms is 0. Okay. Good evening, Ayushi. Good evening, Pratmesh. So, a series like this 3, 7, 11, 15, and so on. So, if I look at this series, the difference between consecutive terms, the difference between these two is 4. Again, the difference is 4. Again, the difference is 4. So, if the difference between consecutive terms is a constant, then it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is also an example of arithmetic progression. So, this is an increasing AP where terms are increasing, and this is a decreasing AP where terms are decreasing. Here the common difference is 4, and in this case the common difference is -3. Okay, so common difference we represent by D. So these are the general terms. So first term is A, second term would be A plus D, third term would be A plus 2D, fourth term would be A plus 3D, and so on. So that is why we can say the nth term would be a plus n minus 1 times of d, because we can see that this is the fourth term, this is third term, this is second term. So अगर second term है तो यहाँ पे 1d लिखा हुआ है, third term में we have 2d, fourth term में we have 3d. So similarly in 10th term we would be having a plus 9d. So this is your 10th term. So a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the number of terms. So this is how we represent the nth term. So if I need to find the 10th term of this AP, so the 10th term would be, we know first term is 3, common difference is 4, and we are interested in finding the 10th term, so n is 10. So 10th term is given by a plus 10 minus 1 times of d. So it is 9 into 4, 36 plus 3, that is 39. I hope the concept of nth term is clear to everyone. Then next thing is sum of first n terms. So it is given by n into 2a plus n minus 1 times d, this whole thing by 2. Or it can also be written as n into first term plus last term by 2. Okay. So if in this series I need to find the sum of first 10 terms, so it is 10 by 2 into first term, which is 3. This is the first term, and the 10th term we have already calculated, 39. So it is 3 plus 39 into 10 by 2. That is n by 2 into first plus last term. Or I can say it is this. That is 10 by 2 into 2 times of first term plus n minus 1 into d. So this is how we find the sum of n terms. Are these two concepts clear to everyone, guys? अगर ये दोनों चीजें समझ में आ रही हैं, just say yes so that we can move to the application. Hello Siddharth. Good evening Shantanu. Okay, very good guys. Good Romil, good Siddharth, Tush. Okay Kalash. Good, the answer is 210, very good. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So I'm moving to the application part now. So this is the first question, a very simple question guys, should not take more than 30 seconds to answer. Please answer this one. Yes, Pratmesh, Ayushi, Swapnil, please answer this. Siddharth, Kalash, Romel, please type your answers. Okay, Siddharth is getting A option, okay. Okay, चलिए चेक करते हैं, काफी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. See, if we know the first term, it is 121. We know the common difference, it is minus 4. The terms are decreasing, so common difference is minus 4. Okay, common difference we can see is minus 4. Okay, so we want to find which term would be the first negative term. Okay, so can we say the nth term can be written as 121 plus n minus 1 times of minus 4, and we want this to be negative. That means I want this to be less than 0. So it is nothing but 121 less than, if I bring this to this side, so minus 4 से plus 4 हो जाएगा, so it is 4 times n minus 1. So what you will get is 121 by 4 is this. So 121 by 4 is 30 point something. So n minus 1 should be greater than 30 point something. So can we say n should be greater than 31 point something? अगर ये 30 point something है, if I bring this minus 1 on this side, तो ये plus 1 हो जाएगा, so it will be 31 point something. n का value 31 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, so n should be 32. So this is the first negative term, and Siddharth got this correct. Tush, Div and Kalash, all of you have got this correct. Very good, guys. So answer is A option. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Okay, please answer this one. See, I'm not getting enough responses from the students who are attending on YouTube. So please be a bit interactive, guys. Those who are watching on YouTube, I'm not getting enough responses. Okay, Siddharth is getting 55. That is A option. Okay, Siddharth. Okay, let's check this. See, it is given sum of first 32 terms. We know sum of n terms is this, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So sum of first 32 is equal to sum of first 77. So this is given. So sum of first 32, we know it is 32 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 31d, should be equal to 77 by 2, 2a plus 76 times d. So we can cancel this too. Okay, so what you'll get is, if I bring this whole thing, the expression written on the left hand side to the right hand side, so what you'll get is, this is 2a and here also we have 2a, so I'll get 2a 77 times minus 32 times plus this is 77 into 76d, so it is 77 into 76d minus 32 into 31d. So this is what we have. Okay. Now we can simplify this. So what we have here is 2a into this is 45 plus I can take 4 common from here. 4d common loge, so what you'll get is 77 into 19 minus 8 into 31. So this is what we have here. Okay. So now you just need to calculate this and it will be a bit time consuming. Okay, आप इसे calculate कर सकते हो. ये कोई देखिए time तो लगेगा but ये बहुत complex calculation नहीं है. So 2 into 45 we know it is 90a. Okay, plus 4d and bracket में what we are left with is 77 into 19. So we all know 77 into 20. This we know it is 1540. आपको सिर्फ 99 टाइम्स करना है तो एक 77 इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. So this is 77 into 19. So which will be how much? It is 1463. Similarly, 8 into 31 is relatively easy. 31 into 8, this is 248. So it is 90a plus 4d into this much. So this is this. Okay. Now we can cancel 10 from both the sides. 10 cancel करोगे तो ये आएगा आपके पास 9a and this will be 2d into 5 से divide करेंगे. What you'll get is 2 times this is 4 3. So ये दोनों 9 के मल्टीपल्स भी लिखे हैं वो भी कैंसिल कर दो. तो a प्लस 9 से इसको डिवाइड करोगे इट इज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 7. So a plus 54d आ गया आपके पास. और ये कौन सा टर्म होता है? दिस इज नथिंग बट 55th टर्म. दिस इज योर 55th टर्म. Okay, तो सिद्धार्थ and Rohit have got this correct. Okay, a plus 54d is 55th term. I hope it is clear, guys. Okay. अब देखिए अगर आप इसका लॉजिक समझोगे तो यू डोंट हैव टू डू ऑल दिस कैलकुलेशन. दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आंसर्ड इन अराउंड 10 सेकेंड. 10 सेकेंड से ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा. So first I will explain you what you can do the shortcut. Okay, and then if you want I can explain the logic why the shortcut will work. Okay, see what we do here is if this is 32 and this is 77. So we just find the difference of these two, 77 and 32. So what you'll get is 45. Okay, so now if I have to find which term would be 0, so what we do is ये 32 लिखा है इसमें we just add the difference plus 1 by 2. ये आप add कर दो. You will directly get the answer. This is nothing but 55. What we are doing is I am repeating this again. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड करो. ये जो दो टर्म्स दिए हुए, सो डिफरेंस विच इज 45. नाउ ऐड 1 टू दिस एंड डिवाइड इट बाय 2. You will straight away get the answer. Is this clear, guys? Are you getting this? Yes, Siddharth, is this clear? And I don't think it will take more than 10 seconds. Okay, very good, Tush. Good evening, Sahil. Yes, is this clear? Sahil, Ayushi, Manish, Pratmesh. Okay, good, Sahil, very good. Okay, good color, Shantanu, very good guys. ओके तो अगला क्वेश्चन इसी पे बेस्ड है जो आपने पूछा. नो कलश सेम कैसे बोल सकते हैं अगर डेसिमल. ओके ओके कलश ऑल्सो हैज द सेम डाउट. चलिए देखते हैं. सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन योर डाउट ओनली, सो प्लीज ट्राई दिस वन. See if I apply the same thing here, if I get this 24, it is 24 and this is 66. So 66 and 24, the difference is 42. So what we do is first में ये 24 है ना, पहले smaller value 24 में if I add 42 plus 1 by 2, so what I get is this is how much, this is 21.5. So what you get is 45.5. Okay, so अगर decimal आ रहा है that means this is the answer. See, it is not a compulsion for every AP to have a term which is 0. देखिए अगर आपके पास ऐसा AP दिया हुआ है, for example AP like this -14, -10, -6, -2, 2, 6, 10 and so on. So इस AP में देखिए क्या है, can we say sum of first two which is -24 is same as sum of first 6 which is also -24. So but none of the term is 0. Okay, और AP ऐसा भी हो सकता है -20, -15, -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15 and so on. So in this AP what we have is sum of first 3 which is -45 is same as sum of first 6 which is also -45. So in this AP we have one of the term as 0 and in this AP we don't have any term as 0. So in short what you can remember is if this difference is even then none of the term would be 0, and if this difference is odd then only we will have a term equal to 0. So यहाँ पे ये डिफरेंस क्या था, इवन था, तो इवन में +1 करोगे बाय 2 तो ये एक फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू आ जाएगा. सो इट जस्ट सिग्निफाइज दैट नन ऑफ द टर्म इज 0. एंड अगर आपके पास ये एक ऑड वैल्यू आ रहा है सो दैट मीन्स देयर इज डेफिनेटली अ टर्म विच इज 0. आई होप इट इज क्लियर गाइस. Yes, Kalash, Siddharth, Tush, I hope it is clear now. Yes, Siddharth, if it is a decimal, see, yes, this is a logical thing, okay? I can explain you the logic, okay? If you want, I can explain you the logic, why this will work. See, just it will just take 20-30 seconds. Let me explain you why it is working, why this is conceptually true or logically true. See, if I say sum of first 3 same as sum of first 6, so that means the sum of next 3, ये जो 3 के बाद वाले जो next terms हैं, next 3 terms after third term, जो next 3 terms हैं उनका sum 0 होना चाहिए. So अगर ये वैल्यू ऑड है, मतलब नेक्स्ट 3 का टर्म 0 है, एंड सिंस दिस इज एन एपी सो वी नो 3 में से हाफ पॉजिटिव होंगे, हाफ निगेटिव होंगे और मिडिल मोस्ट 0 होगा. बट अगर सम ऑफ नेक्स्ट 4 इज 0, सो कैन वी से हाफ पॉजिटिव और हाफ निगेटिव होगा, 0 तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. सो अगर डेसिमल आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब यही है कि आधे पॉजिटिव है, आधे निगेटिव, 0 नहीं है बीच में. एंड अगर ऑड आ रहा है, अगर बीच में 21 टर्म्स है तो दैट मीन्स 10 पॉजिटिव होंगे, 10 निगेटिव होंगे और मिडिल मोस्ट जो होगा दैट इज 11th वन वुड बी 0. 10 इससे पहले वाले पॉजिटिव, 10 इसके बाद वाले निगेटिव और जो मिडिल मोस्ट है दैट इज 11th वुड बी 0. ओके, सो आई एम मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. So अगर इस तरीके का है क्वेश्चन आपके पास, sum of first 25 is same as the sum of first 65. 25 का sum 65 के बराबर है, that means no term is 0. And if we have a question like this, that sum of first 30 is equal to sum of first 85, so अभी डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है, ऑड आ रहा है, तो डिफरेंस कितना है 55, 55 प्लस 1 बाय 2 कर दो, ये कितना होता है 28. दैट मीन्स विच टर्म इज जीरो, 30 में 28 ऐड कर देते, so that means 58 term is zero. तो आई थिंक अभी किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, सबको समझ में आ गया है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. Okay, please answer this one, guys. Thank you, Manish, and thank you, Ayushi. Yes, guys, please answer this. There are two arithmetic progressions given. You just need to find that how many terms in the two series are common. देखिए एक टर्म तो क्लियरली दिख रहा है, we have 21 in both the series. So you just need to find how many more such terms are there. Okay, Ashish is getting D option. Okay, Ashish. Okay, चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. Only Ashish has given some answer till now. Okay, Sai Shekhar is saying it is C. Very good, Sai Shekhar. It is C. Good. Answer is C option. Very good. Okay, Siddharth is also getting now C. Subranil is getting C. Very good, Tush, Kalash, Rohit, Romil. Okay, Sai Shekhar, are you attending on both the platforms? YouTube में भी आपने आंसर किया and on Gradeup app also. I think एक में ही कर लो, sufficient है. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, ये डिस्कस करते हैं. Okay. See, I will tell you the concept also, how you can do this faster. Okay, and first let me explain you the thing. See, क्या है, first AP में there is 17, 21, then 25 and so on. There is a common difference of 4. 29, then 33 होगा, 37 होगा, 41 and so on. This is the first AP, first series. Second series is this 16, 21, there is a common difference of 5. Next is 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, and so on. So you can see this is the first common term. Then we have this also as the common term. Okay. So see, this is a very important statement, guys, that I am about to write here. The series that you get, the series formed by taking the common terms of 2 or more APs. This will work for 2 APs as well as for more APs. Is also an AP. जो भी आप कॉमन टर्म लेके सीरीज बनाओगे तो वो भी एपी ही मिलेगा. यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म 21 है, नेक्स्ट कॉमन टर्म इज दिस, नेक्स्ट कॉमन टर्म वुड बी दिस एंड सो ऑन. Okay, is also an AP with common difference equal to the LCM of the common difference of the given APs. LCM of common difference. CD means common difference of the given APs. So यहाँ पे क्या था, इसका common difference 4 है, इसका common difference 5 है. So if I take the LCM of 4 and 5, I get 20. So you can see that here we are getting a common difference of 20 only. Okay, तो आपको first common term पता चल गया. अगर आप general term find करो, so can we say first common term we know is 21 and common difference is 20. So nth term क्या होगा? It is 21 plus n minus 1 times of 20. This is the nth term of the AP formed by taking the common terms of the given APs. Just read this statement and just see whether you are able to understand this statement or is there any confusion or doubt in this. So this is the nth term. We want this, or we want to find how many such terms are there. Okay, so we can clearly, we can obviously say that the last common term would be either 417 or less than 417. क्योंकि फर्स्ट सीरीज तो 417 के बियॉन्ड है ही नहीं, तो आखिरी कॉमन टर्म या तो 417 होगा या उससे भी छोटा होगा. So that means this is the last common term and it should be either 417 or less than 417. You will get the value of n. So n minus 1 into 20, it is nothing but 21 इधर आएगा, माइनस कर दो, 396 हो गया. n minus 1 would be 396 by 20. So which we know is 19 point something. ये fractional part को लेके you should not worry, जो भी है वो कुछ relevance नहीं रखता. So it is 19 point something. So that means n would be this 20 point something. तो n क्या हो गया? 20 terms. डेसिमल का मतलब यही होता है कि दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट कॉमन टर्म, इट इज लेस देन दिस. अगर यही लास्ट कॉमन टर्म होता तो यहाँ पे एक इंटीजर आ जाएगा. Just go through this. I am giving you 30-40 seconds and if you have some doubt, please ask. Or if you have understood everything, just say yes or clear. The statement that I have written is important and it will help you to solve questions. And this statement will work for 2 arithmetic progressions, 3 arithmetic progressions, for any number of arithmetic progressions. If you take the common terms, you will get an AP with common difference equal to the LCM of the given APs. Okay, very good Dev, good Shiv, good Sai Shekhar, very good. Okay, very good Rohit. Good Pratmesh, very good. Good Sahil. Okay, Tush. Very good, Kalash. See, Tush, what we are saying is, we know this is an AP. Okay, that means the series formed by taking the common terms. So I just need to find how many such terms are there. Okay, so what we have assumed is that there are n terms. There are n such terms or n terms of this AP. Okay, so we know nth term is given by this, that is a plus n minus 1 times of d, where a, the first common term, is 21 and the common difference is 20. So this is the nth term. And we also know अगर दो सीरीज हैं, एक सीरीज आपका है 417 तक, एक सीरीज है 466 तक, तो जो भी लास्ट कॉमन टर्म होगा वो या तो ये होगा या इससे भी छोटा होगा. दैट मीन्स विच एवर इज द स्मॉलर वैल्यू ऑफ दीज टू वो ही रेलेवेंस रखेगा. We cannot have 421 or 422 as the last common term. So last common term would be either 417 or less than this. So what we are saying is जो nth होगा, nth is the last common term. So this should be either 417 or less than 417. So by solving this, I am getting n should be less than 20 point something, less than or equal to 20 point something. So can we say the value that n can take is 20? Is this clear, Tush? Yes, Tush. Do you want me to explain this again, or is this clear? Okay, very good, Tush. Okay, now try this one, guys. This is a simple question. Okay, Kalash is saying, can you explain the logic of last question? See, Kalash, the logic is very obvious. See, Kalash, if I have two APs, so if I need to find the series of common terms, okay, so if I get one common term, so now can we say if I look at this AP, so I am getting terms at an interval of 2. यहाँ पे हर 2 के इंटरवल पे है और यहाँ पे हर 3 के इंटरवल पे है. सो कैन वी से दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए. कॉमन टर्म का मतलब क्या है? इट शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एज वेल एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. सो एक बोल रहे हैं आप 2 ऐड करते जाओ, आपको कॉमन टर्म्स मिलते जाएंगे, एंड अदर सीरीज इज सेइंग keep on adding 3, you will get the terms. So can we say if I want to find a term which is common to these two series, so can we say instead of adding 2 and 3, I should add 6, because 6 ऐड करोगे तो इसका भी पार्ट होगा, यहाँ पे 3 बार ऐड करने पाएगा, एंड 6 ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ पे भी इसका भी पार्ट होगा. So that is why we are applying the concept of the LCM of the common difference of the two series to find the common difference of the series formed by taking the common terms. So यहाँ पे 2 ऐड करने पे मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे 3, तो इन दोनों का LCM ले लो 6, तो 6 ऐड करते जाओगे आपको मिलता जाएगा, और आप 6 ऐड कर रहे हो तो वो AP ही मिलेगा. इफ आई एम एडिंग 6 ईच टाइम, सो वो AP भी होगा और उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस गिवन कॉमन डिफरेंसेस का LCM होगा. कलश इज सेइंग, कलश थर्ड क्वेश्चन का तो मैंने पहले ही एक्सप्लेन किया था आपको लॉजिक. थर्ड क्वेश्चन का देखिए अभी फिर से मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है इतना पीछे जाना, बट थर्ड क्वेश्चन का तो कलश मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था. अगर आप वेट कर सकते हो तो मैं क्लास के एंड में आपको फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ. Okay, Rohit is getting A, Sai Shekhar is getting A, Siddharth, Chole, Tush, all of you are getting A, which is correct. Very good, guys. The answer is A. इसमें आपको बस सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना था और कुछ भी नहीं. The square of the seventh term. Seventh term we know it is A plus 6D. Third term we know it is A plus 2D. And 17th term is A plus 16D. So square of the 7th term, that is a plus 6d ka square, is equal to the product of the 3rd and the 17th term. So you just need to simplify this. कुछ calculation भी नहीं है. A square plus 36d square plus 12ad is equal to a square plus 32d square plus 18ad. So ये cancel हो गया. So what you'll get is, this is 4d square and this is 6ad. So ये d cancel. So can we say from here I'll get a by d as 4 by 6 or 2 by 3. So a simple question. Good Romel, very good. Answer is A. So let's move to the next question. I think इसमें तो किसी को डाउट नहीं होगा, सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना था और कुछ नहीं था. Good Ayushi, very good. And good evening Abhinav. So let's move to the next question. Okay, please try this one guys and please be careful in this. इसमें देखिए थोड़ी गलती हो सकती है. It's a bit tricky question, so please be careful in 6th question. Yes guys, please type in your answers. Okay, Rohit is getting B option. Okay. And very good Rohit, your answer is correct. It is B. See, if I look at this, so this is how much? 40. Then this is 35. Then this is 30. So we can see that this is also an AP. So एक बार 40 है, then next it is 35, then next is 30, then next is 25 and so on. So this is a decreasing AP. Then I'll get 5, then I'll get 0, okay, and then I'll get minus 5, minus 10 and so on till minus 40. So now can we say if I add all these, so this is definitely going to be 0. आप 40 से शुरू कर रहे हैं तो minus 40 पे जब आप आओगे then only this sum would be 0. Okay. So 40 से 5 तक ये कितने terms लिखे हैं? 8. ये भी 8 terms है. And this is 1. So if I add this, I get 17. Okay, but now you need to be a bit careful. See, 40 is not a term of this given series. 40 is nothing but combination of two terms. Again, 35 is also a combination of two terms. So अगर इस series के 17 terms हैं, तो can we say original series के कितने होंगे? 2 times, 34 terms. because each term of this series is a combination of two terms of the original series. So if there are 17 terms of this new series that we have formed, so that means there are 34 terms of the original series. Okay, this is one way of doing this. Then we can do it by the conventional method by equating the two sums. ये एक तरीका है इसको करने का. दूसरा तरीका भी सिंपल है. आपको बस ये दोनों सम इक्वेट करने. एक तो सीरीज ये आ रहा है, दिस इज एन एपी, minus this is also an AP 29, 31, 33. So we want this to be 0. So can we say this sum should be equal to this sum, तभी ये 0 आएगा. So ये वाला sum क्या होगा? It is n by 2. We are assuming there are n terms. Okay, और m कर लो, m नहीं लिखो, m terms. तो m by 2 2a प्लस m माइनस 1. कॉमन डिफरेंस थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना, -3 है यहाँ पे, टर्म्स डिक्रीज हो रहे हैं. एंड दिस शुड बी इक्वल टू दिस. तो यहाँ पे भी m टर्म्स होंगे. सो इट इज 2a प्लस m माइनस 1 एंड हेयर वी हैव अ पॉजिटिव कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो इक्वेट दीज टू. ये तो कैंसिल हो गया, एक लीनियर इक्वेशन मिलेगा, सॉल्व कर लो. बस यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना. आंसर जो होगा वो ये है 2m, because m terms of this series and m of this, so total कितने हो जाएंगे 2m terms. So जो भी easy method लग रहा है, you can apply that. Is this clear guys? Can we move to the next question? Yes, only Rohit I think gave the correct answer. Is this clear? And Ayushi also gave the correct answer. Very good Ayushi. See, I am not getting enough responses. Okay, Kalash is saying next. Okay, Tush is saying yes. Very good Tush. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं. And please guys, those who are watching on YouTube, if you are enjoying this session, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Now try this one. Yes guys, please answer this. 1 more minute or 30 more seconds for this question. Okay, चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. I have not received any answer, तो डिस्कस करें. Sum of first 19 terms is given. Okay. So can we say sum of 19 terms is 19 by 2 into 2a plus 19 minus 1, that is 18, D. This is 2620. Sum of first 38 terms is also given. So it is 38 by 2 into 2A plus 37D. This is 4240. Now can we say we have two equations and two unknowns? We can solve these two, find the values of A and D. A and D का वैल्यू फाइंड करो और आपको सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 57 टर्म्स बताना है, विच इज दिस. बट देखिए इस मेथड में काफी लेंदी हो सकता है, कैलकुलेशन काफी ज्यादा हो सकता है. ओके, इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन दी वैल्यूज, और यहाँ पे इजी वैल्यूज नहीं दिए आपको, सो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन आएगा. ओके, नाउ अब देखिए, प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, रोहित इज गेटिंग ए ऑप्शन. चलिए रोहित चेक करते हैं. Okay, now please pay attention guys. अभी देखो, the same question can be done in around 10 seconds if you understand this concept. See, if you have an AP like this, okay, so AP में देखिए क्या होता है, there is a very special thing about AP. If it is a AP, okay, if I am taking one terms at a time, then it will remain an AP even if I take two terms at a time or three terms at a time or five terms at a time. आप दो दो टर्म्स देखते जाओ, ऐड कर दो, ये कितना है 8. दिस इज हाउ मच 16. दिस इज हाउ मच 24. दिस इज हाउ मच 32. सो कैन वी से दिस इज स्टिल एन AP. ये भी एक AP है. 8, 16, 24, 32. So even if I add two terms at a time, it will remain an AP. Even if I add three terms at a time, ये three terms भी ले लो, then also it will remain an AP. देखिए ये सम कितना आएगा, this is 15 and this is how much 33. This is how much 51. So this is an AP of common difference 8. This is an AP of common difference 18. ये भी आपका एक AP है. ओके, सो अगर आप 19 टर्म्स भी लेते जाओगे तो भी AP रहेगा. सो कैन वी से अगर मैं 19 टर्म्स भी एक साथ लेता हूं तो आपके पास फर्स्ट 19 दिया है. फर्स्ट 19 क्या दिया हुआ है उनका सम 2620. नेक्स्ट 19 का सम क्या होगा, ये आपको सम है फर्स्ट 38 का एंड दिस इज द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 19. So can we say next 19 का सम क्या होगा, it is nothing but 4240 minus 2620, okay, which is 1620. तो फर्स्ट 19, नेक्स्ट 19, अब आगे अगर आप और नेक्स्ट 19 करोगे एंड उसके बाद वी विल ऐड ऑल थ्री टू गेट द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 57. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस पता चल गया कितना है, कितना है कॉमन डिफरेंस, -1000. तो अगला क्या होगा, -1000 फिर से कर दो, 620. तो आंसर क्या होगा, दिस दिस एंड दिस. ऐड दिस टू, ऐड दिस थ्री, यू विल गेट द आंसर. सो फर्स्ट 19, नेक्स्ट 19 और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट 19 ये होगा. तो 38 तो आपको ऑलरेडी दिया ही हुआ है 4240, और आपको पता है उसमें अगर इफ यू ऐड नेक्स्ट 19 विच इज 620, सो आई विल गेट द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 57. Is this method clear to everyone guys? See, if it is an AP, then even if I take 3 terms at a time, 5 terms at a time, 8 terms at a time, it will remain an AP. So we are using this property of arithmetic progression. अगर समझ में आ रहा है, so please say yes. If you have some confusion, you can ask me to explain again. Okay, very good Manish, good Ayushi. Okay, very good Subranil, good Kalash. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. वेरी गुड तुष. चलिए लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, प्लीज ट्राई दिस वन. Good, Rohit. Very good. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Okay, I am discussing this. I have not received any answer till now. Okay, so it is given the ratio of first 15 terms to the sum of next 8 terms. Okay, sum of first 15 by sum of next 8. This is given to be 55 by 37. So now can I rewrite this as sum of first 15 by sum of first 23 as 55 by 55 plus 37. इस 15 में आपने अगर ये 8 भी ऐड कर दोगे तो ये फर्स्ट 23 हो जाएगा. सो 15 में ये 8 भी ऐड कर दिया, फर्स्ट 23 होगी. Okay. Now please pay attention to a very important concept. I am avoiding the conventional approach. Okay. So please pay attention, guys. See, if the number of terms is odd. Okay. For example, if I look at this series 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. That means a series of 5 terms or a series of 7 terms. So in this case, if I add all the terms, it is 35, which is nothing. This 35 is nothing but the middlemost term into number of terms, which is 5. Okay, so if I add all these terms, so this would be 56, which is again nothing but the middlemost term into number of terms. This works for any AP with odd number of terms. Okay, and see, it is not very relevant to the this question, but I am explaining you one more thing. If I have an AP okay, so उसमें odd terms हो या even, this concept will work for any AP. Just add first and last. 1 plus 16 by 2. The average of first and last into number of terms. दिस वर्क्स फॉर एनी एपी, ऑड हो या इवन दोनों में वर्क करेगा, बट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट विल वर्क ओनली इन द केस ऑफ एन एपी हैविंग ऑड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. We just need to consider the middlemost term into number of terms. Middlemost term which is 8 into number of terms. So can we say अगर आप ये 15 terms का सम करोगे तो middlemost term क्या होगा 8. 15 में middlemost क्या होता है 8 and number of terms कितने हैं 15. So can we say S15 is nothing but middlemost into number of terms. S23 is nothing but middlemost into number of terms. तो ये आप लिख दो, डायरेक्ट आंसर आ जाएगा. So it is this is equal to 55 by 92. So can we say T8 by T12 can be written as 55 by 92 into 23 by 15. So this is 4 times and this is 11 and this is 3. So answer is 11 by 12. Is this clear, guys? Divya, answer is not A, it is B. And Tush, very good, it is B option. Is the concept clear? That S15, that is sum of first 15, can be written as the middlemost term, which is 8, into number of terms. Good Tush, very good Rohit. Okay, good Madhur and Vishwas, very good guys. Okay, Kalash, very good. Okay guys, so this is all what we have for today. Abhi questions to baki hain, but I think the time is over. Okay, so I cannot extend this session. So take care guys. Goodbye and good night everyone. If you want to ask anything, if you have any question, please ask. If you have any queries or question regarding your CAT preparation or regarding this session or in general, you can ask. Okay, Kalash is saying third question. Okay, Kalash, I will discuss third question. Okay, Kalash. Welcome, Rohit, and thanks a lot. Okay, Vishwas is saying, is Arun Sharma for quant enough? See, Vishwas, it depends. See, personally, I would not recommend you this book. Okay, though some of the faculty member may recommend you, but in my personal opinion, I don't recommend this book. There are two reasons for it. One is it is not relevant at present. Okay, because the book was written, I think, around 20 years back. In 2002 or 3, it was written for the first time, and I don't think the book has been revised a lot. Okay, this is the first thing. So अभी जो present scenario है CAT का उसमें बहुत relevance नहीं रखता ये book. Second thing is there are lot of errors in this book. So it would be better अगर आप इससे मतलब अरुण शर्मा से बेटर है आप कोई भी वो बुक ले लो जिसमें लास्ट कैट ईयर के क्वेश्चन है. अरिहंत का आता है फेस टू फेस, ओसवाल का आता है. सो देर आर अदर पब्लिशर्स ऑल्सो जो लास्ट 20 ईयर का कैट का आपको पूरा कलेक्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चंस देते हैं. सो आई थिंक वो रेलेवेंस ज्यादा होगा उसका. तो चलिए कलेश आपके लिए वो थर्ड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करता हूं मैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखिए कलश क्या है। पहला चीज, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट इन ईच एपी वी शुड हैव अ टर्म विच इज जीरो। ओके, बहुत सी एपी हो सकती है जिसमें कोई भी टर्म जीरो ना हो। ओके, एंड जो मैंने आपको शॉर्टकट बताया था, व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दैट? सी, इफ इट इज गिवन दैट सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 इज सेम एज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 30, एंड दूसरा है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 इज सेम एज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 25, तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 इज सेम एज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 30. दिस मीन्स that after 10th term the sum of next 20 terms is zero. यही तो मीनिंग होगा ना, जो पहले 10 का है वही फर्स्ट 30 का है। अगर आपके पास ऐसे टर्म्स लिखे हैं A1, A2, A3 and so on till A10, then A11, A12 and A30 तक, तो अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये सम और ये सम पूरा सेम है, सो दैट मीन्स दिस सम मस्ट बी जीरो। ओके, सो 11 से 30 का सम जीरो होना चाहिए, एंड सिंस दिस इज एन एपी, सो टर्म्स विल इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज बाय अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू। ऐसा तो नहीं होगा एक टर्म 3 बढ़ गया देन नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 7 मोर, सो देयर इज अ पैटर्न। ओके, एंड द डिफरेंस इज कांस्टेंट। सो कैन वी से अगर 20 टर्म्स हैं जिनका सम जीरो है, तो सम जीरो होने के लिए कुछ पॉजिटिव कुछ नेगेटिव होने चाहिए। सो कैन वी से सिंस इट इज एन एपी, तो हाफ टर्म्स मतलब 11 से 20 तक ये 10 टर्म्स पॉजिटिव हैं अगर, तो ये जो नेक्स्ट 10 टर्म्स होंगे 21 से 30, ये 10 टर्म्स शुड बी नेगेटिव, और अगर ये नेगेटिव हैं तो ये पॉजिटिव होंगे। सो कैन वी से अगर ये डिफरेंस, इफ दिस डिफरेंस कम्स आउट टू बी इवन, okay, so half would be positive, half would be negative, none of the term would be zero. इतना समझ में आ रहा है कलश? Yes Kalash, is this logic clear? Why it will work? Okay, so similarly आप odd के लिए भी ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं। अगर odd दिया है sum of first 10 is first 25, so that means after 10th term the sum of next 15 terms is zero। तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? आपके पास ये टर्म्स हैं A1, A2, A3 till A10, then A11, A12 and so on till A25. That means this whole thing is zero. So again, since the terms are increasing and decreasing by the constant value, और ये 15 terms लिखे हैं, so can we say जो 7 terms होंगे 11 से 17 तक, अगर ये पॉजिटिव है तो 18th term would be zero, and ये 7 terms 19 से 25 तक ये 7 terms नेगेटिव होंगे। तो इस केस में when the difference is odd, this value is odd, so उस केस में we will get a term which is zero, क्योंकि 15 में 7 पॉजिटिव 7 नेगेटिव, and the middle most, ये 7 और 7 के बीच वाला middle most would be zero. So that is why we are adding 15 plus 1 by 2, this is 8, ये 8 आ जाएगा 10 में 8 ऐड कर। I hope it is clear now. Okay, very good Kalash. So I am ending this session. Take care Kalash and good night.